What's going on, guys? Tyler Hill here again. I'm just gonna make a quick video for you guys to show you how to actually customize your blog to make it look the way you want and to make it look cool and pop out. You know, just add your personal brand to it or whatever you want to do. All right. Let's go ahead. I got my information here. I'm gonna just go ahead and log in. This is not my blog, so I'm gonna log out again. And the wrong information in there. There it is. There we go. Alright, this is my blog. Alright. So this is how you're going to edit your blog and make it look cool for everybody to see. Alright. You see how I got my background blue, I got my little header up here, I got my my image, and I got my you can change your words, you can change this, you can change it, the way the color your links are, you can change your button color, you can change this, you can customize this thing however you want. You can change your banners, you can do all of this stuff. Alright? You do it by just going right here. But I'm going to show you how to do this first. Alright. The main control hub is right up here. This is how you change your background color. You can change it pretty much whatever color you want. I'm not going to change mine up because I don't feel like it. Change your button color. You can make whatever your button, whatever it is. And the button color, when you change your button color, I'll change mine real fast just to show you. Change it to... I'll change it to something I actually like. Change it to a darker blue. Okay. You just go to save changes. When you go down here, see my buttons are darker blue. It changes your button colors. When you go to link color, and what this does, whenever you change that, it's going to change this. Whenever you create a link, it's going to change that color. Alright, so you can make it whatever color you want. My background color, I made it this, dull, like grayish blue. That's going to change your background color, your title color, which is this color right here. This is your title of your blog. You can change that whatever color you want. Just change it right here. Your title format, that's going to make like your font. It's going to be your font, whatever your title is. And quick word of advice: whatever you make your title font, make your body font it don't have to be exactly the same, but make it kind of similar, because that's the problem I see with a lot of people. Like when they get started, they have 100 different kind of fonts all over, and it makes it kind of it's distracting. It's not pleasing to the eye. So try to make them similar, kind of the same. Don't make them too different. Try to keep them kind of in the same family. Don't have one being all crazy and one being straightforward. Try to make them about the same. Then you can, over here, you can change your sidebar position, which is this right here. And what I did, I just like to put mine on the left because everybody else is on the right. I just like to be different, so I put mine on the left just because it's different. But you can change that from right here. You can change it from left to right, wherever you want to do it. See, if I put it on the right here, and I go to save changes, it'll be on the right now. I'm going to put it back on the left. And it's back on the left. Alright. Then you can go to title color. You can change your title whatever color you want. It's blue right now. You can change your subtext color. I just like to keep mine black because that's easier to read. It doesn't hurt anybody's eyes. Title font, which is the title of your whatever that is, and your subtext font, which is the other subtext is about the same. It's kind of the same as the title font and body font. You can just go around and mess around with this stuff and make it however you want to. I'm not gonna go down and tell you exactly how to do it because it's yours. I mean, it's made to release your creativity, make it whatever you want it to look like. But I mean, stuff like that. I mean, I love doing stuff like that. And then if you ever want to make one of these headers or whatever, I'm just going to give you a source real fast. I'm not going to show you how to make this header because that's a whole nother video in its own. Go to PicMonkey.com. I spelled it wrong. I keep spelling these places wrong. What's wrong with me? What is wrong? PicMonkey.com, and you can basically just grab a picture of yourself or whatever, if that's what you want to do. Grab a just grab a picture and plug it in there, and then you can go through and you can edit it. You can add, just like I did with this. You can add words. You can add a background. I mean, you can add words. You can change the colors of it. You can crop it. You can resize it. You can make it. You can do whatever you want with it. I'm not going to go through that because that's a whole other video in itself. You just have to go through and play around with it, and figure out what you want to do. I mean, it's basic. It's really basic stuff. It's not too hard. If you know how to use Photoshop or any of that places, then you know how to use PicMonkey. Just figure it out. Figure it out on your own. I'm just going to be blunt. Just figure it out on your own. I had to, so you have to. And if you want, anytime you want to change it, you just go to edit. After you make it and you saved it, go to edit. You can change the link. So if when somebody clicks on this, it's going to go to this website right here. When somebody clicks on my image, it's going to take them straight to this website. And the title of it is My Purpose. I mean, that don't really even show up, so I don't know why it's on there. If you want to edit it, you just go right here to edit. Find the picture you had, plug it in there, and then save it. And that's how you edit your header. And the same thing with this. It's just like a Facebook. It's just like a Facebook cover or a Facebook image. You just go ahead and you pick whatever picture you want in there, and then plug it in there. Then you have this stuff right here. I think you can edit this stuff. This is this is sidebar. That's what this is. Cursive and title font and subtext font. That goes for this. That's what this is. That's the title font. This is the subtext font color or whatever. So I'm thinking you can change this. Yes, you can. This stuff right here. You have SEO options. You got footer data, page customization, which is page customization. Page customization is these right here. You figure out what you want to do. Add the title of it. Go to edit. You can edit what you want the page to look like and all that stuff. Make it private or public. Make it if you want anybody to see it or just you. Just go through here, and it's basically just like a blog. You can have whatever you want in there to make that page look like that. And then you go to update page or cancel or whatever. I'm just going to go to cancel. You can change your SEO options. I'm not going to get into all that stuff because I don't even know what it is. I don't even use it. I don't even use that stuff because I'm not an SEO genius. Maybe one day when I figure it out, I'll make another video. That just goes to show, even you don't have to know SEO. You don't have to be a computer technical genius to get people to see your blog. It don't have to rank. It doesn't have to be on the top page of Google for you to start making money. I mean, it's basically just a place to send people so they can get to know you, so you can start building, some engagement, so people can get to know you better. See, I put my travels on here, and I send this out to my list. I do this to my list, and here's something cool as well. You got footer data. Like this is the header. You can change all this stuff, which is your support dates and your copyright text, which is down here. You can change all this stuff, change it however you want to. You can change this picture, put the link wherever you want it to go, just like the header. You can change this banner, put whatever banner you want to go. Make the link go wherever you want it to go. I mean, it's really simple stuff, really simple stuff. It's not really hard. And then you can go to let's see. Navigation bar. After you create a page, you can go in here and change whatever the button is and send it to wherever you want it to send it. And it's going to change these right here. Alright. I'm not going to go too far into that stuff either, because I mean, if you want to take all these buttons off, so I'll just take all these buttons off if I want to and leave one of them up. Save changes. Let me know what this is. You can turn your Empower Network branding off. I mean, you can if you don't want if you're in here and you're not you're not an Empower Network person, you just wanted to use the blog, you can go ahead and turn all this stuff off. Like I said, I'm not gonna get too far into that stuff, because that stuff you can figure out on your own. You know, I mean, I'm just going through here just to show you some tips and some a basic, just a layout of where to find stuff at, so you can start going and doing stuff on your own. But I mean, that's the basic rundown of if you're done with it, you just close this back up. And by the way, you get there by going to view edit my blog. View and edit my blog. That's how you go in and edit your stuff. And if you would just want to see your activity, you want to go back to the main thing or whatever. You'd go back to your back office, or you can go down here to it's basically the same shit. I mean, but that's basically it. And there's not much to it. There's really not that much to it. This is just a basic rundown to get you started, to get you pointed in the right direction, so you know what you're doing. All right. I mean, that should be enough for you to go ahead and get started and sharing your blog and creating it and making it, look however you want it to look. So, if you're watching this video, I'm glad you're on the team. Welcome to Empower Network, and hope you get the most out of this blog. Thank you.